A powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck the Philippines, sending strong shaking across a wide area and causing panic among residents. Buildings swayed as people rushed out of homes, offices, and shopping centers to reach open ground. The earthquake was felt hundreds of kilometers away, with roads, structures, and infrastructure facing potential damage. Emergency services quickly began assessing the situation, while authorities warned people to stay alert for aftershocks. Along coastal areas, concerns grew over the possibility of tsunami waves, prompting evacuations in some locations. Families gathered outside, waiting for updates as rescue teams prepared to respond wherever help was needed. The quake served as a stark reminder of the Philippines' location along the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the most active seismic regions in the world.
Hoy, kinukuloy! Tabang! Tabang! Tabang!
tumba gid siya. Tumba gid siya, tumba. Tumba gid siya, tumba. Tumba gid, tumba.
Linog sa ano ba? Nakabangat to.
Bantay mo, anak. Bantay mo, Diate. Lingkod lang, lingkod lang. Lingkod lang. Lingkod lang. Lingkod lang. Lingkod. Magilap, magilap. Lingkod lang. Lingkod lang. Lingkod lang, lingkod lang. Lingkod lang.